How to add tags in honor of kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add different tags to your profile. First of all, open the application. Now here on the left top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon. So here we're in this profile settings. Here you'll be able to see different information related to your profile and different history. Now here on the right top, simply tap on settings and choose info. So this is the place where you can add different tags. Here on the bottom, simply tap on this plus icon and there are different tags that are available, so you can choose the one that you want to place. So here I'm selecting some of them, and at last simply tap on confirm. So make sure that all this tag will be displayed in your profile and other friends can view it too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.